What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tech Tuesday. I'm Nate Law, and today we're going to do an overview of IP and Nema ratings. The International Electrotechnical Commission, or IEC, created the Ingress Protection Rating System to define levels of sealing effectiveness of electrical enclosures against intrusion from outside particles and moisture. This alphanumeric rating is written as the letters IP and followed by two numbers that correlate to different degrees of protection. The first number ranges from 1 to 6 and specifies the level of protection from solid objects like dust or other particulates. The second digit ranges from 1 to 8 and specifies the level of protection from water. The numbers correlate with the level of protection. The higher the number, the higher the level of protection. For example, IP12 has less protection than IP53. The National Electrical Manufacturers Association, or Nema, is an organization that was developed to form the technical standards for the manufacturing of electrical equipment. Nema sets standards for safety, innovation, interoperability, environment, and market enhancement. They are most known for their rating system for the protection of electrical enclosures. The standards for ratings are published every 5 years and rate how effectively different electrical enclosures are protected from particulates, liquids, and corrosive chemicals. There's not a direct correlation between Nema ratings and IP ratings, as the two systems are based on a different set of variables. However, this table shows an approximate cross-reference that can be used to help determine the IP number that meets or exceeds a particular Nema rating. Here at VarTech, we build to meet Nema and IP standards. Our products will meet or exceed their specified ratings. Make sure to visit our website or give us a call to learn more about the ratings of our enclosures. As always, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, have a great rest of your week.